Hi everyone, this is Dalise for Cat Scrappiness, and today I get to introduce to you two brand new double-sided premium cardstock paper pads. This is Bright Christmas 1 and Bright Christmas 2. I am totally in love with these sets. If there is something that really attracts me to a paper pad, it's the colors. And these are, like the title says, bright. They are bright, they are super graphical, and let me show you. These are again 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock, so they have a really good weight. You get 12 patterns and 4 of each design. This beautiful candy apple with the snowflakes. And then you get this stripe with the teal and the fuchsia. And then you get these super graphical vintage looking trees with all the colors in this palette, which are the fuchsia, the candy red, the teal, the lime green. They're just fabulous. Next, we got big polka dots and the fuchsia. And then we get the teal and the snowflakes, itty bitty polka dots in red and white. And then your snowflakes in that green. We got more stripes galore. We have really thin stripes with the color palette. And then we got same color palette, but then we got a diagonal stripe. And we get polka dots in teal and in the green. And then we start all over again after the fuchsia snowflakes. So those are your patterns for the Bright Christmas 1. And let's look at the Bright Christmas 2. These two paper pads are coordinate with each other. They have the same color palette, and I just adore the patterns. You can't do Christmas without an Argyle. Argyle with the color palette. And this one is so much fun. Let me do a good close-up on this. We got Christmas tree, stockings, candy canes, reindeer, all in the color palette. And then we got a black and white bigger polka dot. We got the Christmas trees, but just in the teal and the pink. This might be my favorite paper. It's a bunch of snowflakes all in the color palette. Green and red stripes, very, very vintage, and love the holiday look. A different color combination on the trees. And then huge green polka dots in this plaid. Come on, this plaid is amazing. Itty bitty pink fuchsia polka dots and a bigger size polka dots on the teal. And then we get those majestic, gorgeous reindeers in red and white. And then we start again. So again, Bright Christmas 1 and Bright Christmas 2. 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock from Cat Scrappiness. And each of them has 12 patterns and 4 of each design. Made here in the USA. I will leave you now with some amazing samples that the #KS Creative Crew made just for you.